Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. As you know that we are on chapter number 2, the wooden bowl, and we have completed its reading with translation. Today we are going to do its vocabulary. As you know that there are some difficult words in the chapter and you have to know the meanings of that difficult words so that you can easily understand the reading of this chapter. Okay, now look at the first one. It is chisel. You have read this word on page number 15, first one paragraph. Look here. He learned how to use a saw and a hammer and a chisel. Chisel is basically a tool which is used by carpenter. Now look at the meaning of chisel. A metal tool used to cut and shape wood. Second one, clumsy. Look here on page number 15. In the third one paragraph, the word clumsy you can read here. He was slow and clumsy. The meaning of clumsy is lacking skill or grace, awkward. Complain. Complain means to say you are unhappy about something. Look at page number 16, the very first line. You can find the word complain in this reading. The next one word is couple. Students, on page number 14, in the last paragraph, you can see that here is the word couple. The young couple, Manfred and Thekla, had a son called Wilhelm. So, couple means two people who are married. Next one is earned. You can see that in the second one paragraph of this chapter, you can find the word earned here. Kurt had taught his son well and the son earned a good living. The meaning of earned is received money for work done. The next one word is fetch. Fetch means to go after and bring back something or somebody. So students, look here on page number 15. In the very first line, the word fetching is found. He helped his father by fetching and carrying things. The last one word is nod off. To go to sleep. Now look here students. Sometimes his hands shook and sometimes he sat in a chair and nodded off. Nodded off mean he went to sleep. I think so the meaning of whole vocabulary is quite clear to you. You have to do this homework on your notebook. I have prepared that for you. Now take a look of that. Students, you have to ready your sketch. Unit number 2, the wooden bowl, words and English meanings. The first one is chisel, a tool used to cut and shape wood. Second one, clumsy, lacking skill or grace. Number 3, complain, to say you are unhappy about something. Couple, two people who are married. Earned, received money for work done. Fetch, to go and bring something. Nod off, to go to sleep. I think so this whole vocabulary is quite clear to you. You have to do this homework on your notebooks. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.